Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 GMC Sierra. Stock number is 18C350A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. I'll look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have the Z71 off-road package on here. Rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as your factory trailer hitch on the back here. Taking a look at the bed. Spray-in bed liner, as well as the Access soft cover on top. Keep the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.